So the cold weather is not playing around in Boston right now. So as we patiently wait for warmer temps to arrive, here is a fun tropics inspired soap that I made last summer. Hey soapers, today I'm going to be doing a coconut lime scented soap with poppy seeds, and with coconut oil as being one of the main ingredients, it's going to be a great cleansing bar. I'm going to be using Dead Sea mud and Kaolin Clay powder to give a nice natural coloring to the soap, and of course, poppy seeds. Can't forget this lovely smelling coconut lime fragrance oil made by Nurture Soap. On this channel, we are safety first, so to make sure you're always soaping safely, the Brambleberry Lye Safety Guide link is included in the description. I also use soapcalc.net to ensure all recipes are formulated properly. Link to website is also included in the description. Let's get soaping. As always, friends, thanks for soaping with me once again. I appreciate you. And if you like what I'm doing, please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll gladly bring you more. Until the next video, bye, soapers.